Hello. Welcome to Tech Install. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing, giving a thumbs up, enabling notifications, and sharing with others. All the captivating and visually stunning video clips you will be seeing in this video were created entirely by Sora, showcasing the remarkable capabilities of this AI technology in producing lifelike and engaging content. What is Sora? Sora is an artificial intelligence (AI) model developed by OpenAI, a leading AI research company. Its primary function is to generate videos from text descriptions, also called text-to-video generation. Imagine typing in a dog performing a backflip in a park and Sora creating a short video clip of exactly that. Sora can generate videos up to a minute long while maintaining visual quality and adherence to the user's prompt. Sora is able to generate complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and accurate details of the subject and background. The model understands not only what the user has asked for in the prompt, but also how those things exist in the physical world. How Sora works. Diffusion models. Sora is based on a type of AI model called a diffusion model. These work by essentially reversing the process of adding noise to an image. Sora starts with a video frame resembling TV static and gradually removes that noise over many steps, guided by your text instruction. Understanding text. Like other powerful AI language models, Sora has been trained on a massive dataset of text and images/videos. This allows it to understand complex descriptions and connect them to visual concepts. Foresight and consistency. One key innovation in Sora is its ability to consider multiple video frames at once. This helps it maintain consistency, like ensuring a character doesn't disappear mid-scene, even if they briefly move out of view. What makes Sora unique? Beyond static images, while other AI models focus on generating still images, Sora's ability to create videos of motion and action is groundbreaking. Physical simulation. Sora isn't simply creating pretty pictures, it is learning some understanding of how objects move and interact in the real world. This makes its videos more plausible and believable. Creative potential. Sora promises to unleash new forms of creativity by making video generation accessible to people without extensive animation or filmmaking skills. Key features. Realism. Sora aims to produce videos that are remarkably photorealistic and detailed. Imagination. It can interpret creative prompts and generate scenes that don't necessarily exist in the real world. Understanding of the physical world. Sora has some awareness of physics and how objects interact, making its videos more believable. Why is it important? Content creation. Easier for individuals to create videos, animations, etc. for various purposes. Education. Visualizing complex concepts or historical events for better understanding. Entertainment. New forms of storytelling and interactive experiences. Let's look at some of the demo video generated by Sora. This video of a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm glowing neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, and black boots, and carries a black purse. She wears sunglasses and red lipstick. She walks confidently and casually. The street is damp and reflective, creating a mirror effect of the colorful lights. Many pedestrians walk about. Was generated by Sora. It's almost unbelievable that this video was generated by AI. This look real and pretty good. This is a video of a close-up view of a glass sphere that has a Zen garden within it. There is a small dwarf in the sphere who is raking the Zen garden and creating patterns in the sand. Extreme close-up of a 24-year-old woman's eye blinking, standing in Marrakesh during magic hour, cinematic film shot in 70mm, depth of field, vivid colors, cinematic. A cartoon kangaroo disco dances. This video looks pretty good and real. A beautiful homemade video showing the people of Lagos, Nigeria in the year 2056. Shot with a mobile phone camera. A petri dish with a bamboo forest growing within it that has tiny red pandas running around. The camera rotates around a large stack of vintage televisions, all showing different programs: 1950s sci-fi movies, horror movies, news, static, a 1970s sitcom, etc., set inside a large New York museum gallery. 3D animation of a small, round, fluffy creature with big, expressive eyes explores a vibrant, enchanted forest. The creature, a whimsical blend of a rabbit and a squirrel, has soft blue fur and a bushy, striped tail. It hops along a sparkling stream, its eyes wide with wonder. The forest is alive with magical elements: flowers that glow and change colors, trees with leaves in shades of purple and silver, and small floating lights that resemble fireflies. The creature stops to interact playfully with a group of tiny, fairy-like beings dancing around a mushroom ring. The creature looks up in awe at a large, glowing tree that seems to be the heart of the forest. Several giant woolly mammoths approach, treading through a snowy meadow. Their long woolly fur lightly blows in the wind as they walk. Snow-covered trees and dramatic snow-capped mountains in the distance. Mid-afternoon light with wispy clouds and a sun high in the distance creates a warm glow. The low camera view is stunning, capturing the large furry mammal with beautiful photography, depth of field. A movie trailer featuring the adventures of the 30-year-old spaceman wearing a red wool knitted motorcycle helmet. Blue sky, salt desert, cinematic style, shot on 35mm film, vivid colors. This is another video, drone view of waves crashing against the rugged cliffs along Big Sur's Garay Point Beach. The crashing blue waters create white-tipped waves, while the golden light of the setting sun illuminates the rocky shore. A small island with a lighthouse sits in the distance, and green shrubbery covers the cliff's edge. The steep drop from the road down to the beach is a dramatic feat, with the cliff's edges jutting out over the sea. This is a view that captures the raw beauty of the coast and the rugged landscape of the Pacific Coast Highway. This video is an animated scene, features a close-up of a short fluffy monster kneeling beside a melting red candle. The art style is 3D and realistic, with a focus on lighting and texture. The mood of the painting is one of wonder and curiosity, as the monster gazes at the flame with wide eyes and open mouth. Its pose and expression convey a sense of innocence and playfulness, as if it is exploring the world around it for the first time. The use of warm colors and dramatic lighting further enhances the cozy atmosphere of the image. A gorgeously rendered papercraft world of a coral reef, rife with colorful fish and sea creatures. This close-up shot of a Victoria crown pigeon showcases its striking blue plumage and red chest. Its crest is made of delicate, lacy feathers, while its eye is a striking red color. The bird's head is tilted slightly to the side, giving the impression of it looking regal and majestic. The background is blurred, drawing attention to the bird's striking appearance. Photorealistic close-up video of two pirate ships battling each other as they sail inside a cup of coffee. Look at this beautiful video of a young man in his 20s is sitting on a piece of cloud in the sky, reading a book. This video of a white vintage SUV is amazing and is generated by Sora. The camera follows behind a white vintage SUV with a black roof rack as it speeds up a steep dirt road surrounded by pine trees on a steep mountain slope. Dust kicks up from its tires. The sunlight shines on the SUV as it speeds along the dirt road, casting a warm glow over the scene. The dirt road curves gently into the distance, with no other cars or vehicles in sight. The trees on either side of the road are redwoods, with patches of greenery scattered throughout. The car is seen from the rear following the curve with ease, making it seem as if it is on a rugged drive through the rugged terrain. The dirt road itself is surrounded by steep hills and mountains, with a clear blue sky above with wispy clouds. Just take a look at this video of a drone camera circles around a beautiful historic church built on a rocky outcropping along the Amalfi Coast. The view showcases historic and magnificent architectural details and tiered pathways and patios. Waves are seen crashing against the rocks below as the view overlooks the horizon of the coastal waters and hilly landscapes of the Amalfi Coast, Italy. Several distant people are seen walking and enjoying vistas on patios of the dramatic ocean views. The warm glow of the afternoon sun creates a magical and romantic feeling to the scene. The view is stunning, captured with beautiful photography. This cool video shows a large orange octopus is seen resting on the bottom of the ocean floor, blending in with the sandy and rocky terrain. Its tentacles are spread out around its body, and its eyes are closed. The octopus is unaware of a king crab that is crawling towards it from behind a rock, its claws raised and ready to attack. The crab is brown and spiny, with long legs and antennae. The scene is captured from a wide angle, showing the vastness and depth of the ocean. The water is clear and blue, with rays of sunlight filtering through. The shot is sharp and crisp, with a high dynamic range. The octopus and the crab are in focus, while the background is slightly blurred, creating a depth of field effect. A flock of paper airplanes flutters through a dense jungle, weaving around trees as if they were migrating birds. This very video looks too real for one to believe it was generated by Sora. A cat waking up its sleeping owner demanding breakfast. The owner tries to ignore the cat, but the cat tries new tactics, and finally the owner pulls out a secret stash of treats from under the pillow to hold the cat off a little longer. Here is another amazing video, a tour of an art gallery with many beautiful works of art in different styles. Beautiful, snowy Tokyo City is bustling. The camera moves through the bustling city street, following several people enjoying the beautiful snowy weather and shopping at nearby stalls. Gorgeous sakura petals are flying through the wind along with snowflakes. This is a video of a beautiful silhouette animation shows a wolf howling at the moon, feeling lonely, until it finds its pack. A grandmother with neatly combed gray hair stands behind a colorful birthday cake with numerous candles at a wood dining room table. Expression is one of pure joy and happiness, with a happy glow in her eye. She leans forward and blows out the candles with a gentle puff. The cake has pink frosting and sprinkles and the candles cease to flicker. The grandmother wears a light blue blouse adorned with floral patterns. Several happy friends and family sitting at the table can be seen celebrating, out of focus. The scene is beautifully captured, cinematic, showing a 3/4 view of the grandmother in the dining room. Warm color tones and soft lighting enhance the mood. Prompt: a grandmother with neatly combed gray hair stands behind a colorful birthday cake with numerous candles at a wood dining room table. Expression is one of pure joy and happiness, with a happy glow in her eye. She leans forward and blows out the candles with a gentle puff. The cake has pink frosting and sprinkles and the candles cease to flicker. The grandmother wears a light blue blouse adorned with floral patterns. Several happy friends and family sitting at the table can be seen celebrating, out of focus. The scene is beautifully captured, cinematic, showing a 3/4 view of the grandmother in the dining room. Warm color tones and soft lighting enhance the mood. Important considerations. Sora is still in development. It's not yet publicly available for widespread use.